The night market. Deep in the heart of the forest, where the moonlight barely reached, there was a place called the night market. It opened only once a year, at midnight, and was said to sell magical items that could grant wishes or solve problems. One starry night, a young girl named Clara heard about the night market from her grandmother. "Remember," her grandmother warned, "you must only take what you truly need, not what you simply want." Clara nodded, her heart racing with excitement. Her family's farm had been struggling, and Clara hoped to find something to help them grow food again. At the stroke of midnight, Clara made her way through the forest, guided by tiny lanterns hanging from the trees. When she reached a clearing, she gasped. The night market was alive with color and sound. Stalls made of glowing wood floated in the air, and creatures of all kinds, elves, talking animals, and glowing spirits, moved about, browsing magical wares. "Welcome, Clara," said a fox in a vest, bowing slightly. "How may we help you tonight?" Clara blinked. "You know my name?" The fox chuckled. "The night market knows everyone who comes with a true purpose." Clara wandered through the stalls, marveling at enchanted objects, bottles of starlight, shoes that made you fly, and even a book that could tell the future. But nothing seemed to fit her need. Finally, she came to a simple stall run by an old man with kind eyes. On his table sat a small bag of seed. "What do these do?" Clara asked. The man smiled. "These are seeds of plenty. Plant them, and they will grow whatever you need most." Clara hesitated. The seeds looked plain, unlike the dazzling items she'd seen earlier. But she remembered her grandmother's advice and decided to trust her heart. "I'll take them," she said. The man handed her the bag with a wink. "Use them wisely." When Clara returned home, she planted the seeds in the dry soil of her family's field. To her amazement, green shoots began to sprout overnight. By morning, the field was full of golden wheat, ripe apples, and even colorful vegetables. Her family was overjoyed, and soon their farm flourished again. Clara never forgot her visit to the night market or the lesson it taught her. Sometimes the simplest things hold the greatest magic.